The KIT Department of Economics and Management is one of the 11 departments at the KIT. The faculty offers courses that are among the best of their kind. For the past 5 years, Industrial Engineering and Management is number 2 in the leading German university ranking. Energy Economy reached first place in Germany in the Shanghai ranking in 2021. Information Systems and Industrial Engineering and Management are ranked in the top group for many indicators of the current CHE ranking. We are one of the leading technology-oriented management and economics departments and achieve excellent research results at the interface of our disciplines with engineering, informatics, and mathematics. Today, our department counts more than 4,000 students, around 40 professors and around 300 scientific staff. We have about 15% of international students in our department and are organized in 10 different institutes. We offer the following interdisciplinary degree programs: Industrial Engineering and Management, Information Systems, and Economics Engineering. We also offer a Master of Science degree in Business Mathematics. You can individually design your curriculum and choose from around 200 courses taught in English. You can also attend additional courses at the Center of Applied Cultural Science and the House of Competence. Within this framework you can focus on your interests and choices. We achieve excellent research results with an interdisciplinary orientation. There are around 50 dissertation theses per year in our department. We also provide an outstanding research infrastructure at the KD2 Lab, Karlsruhe Decision and Design Lab. We keep a strong connection between science and practice with team projects, internships and cooperation with a strong partner network. You can get in touch with potential employers during your studies through workshops, networking events and excursions. We provide a leading startup ecosystem with a strong community including the Pioneer Garage, a students' association for entrepreneurship. The faculty offers dedicated entrepreneurship courses in English. With 30 to 50 new ventures annually, KIT is one of the leading entrepreneurial universities in Germany. With more than 80 partner universities in the Erasmus Plus program and all over the world, the International Relations Office of the KIT Department of Economics and Management offers a broad international orientation. The KIT is also a member of various internationalization projects such as EPIC and UCAR, and a member of networks like Cluster, CICER and MoveTIA. You are impressed by all the opportunities at KIT Department of Economics and Management? Come to Karlsruhe and experience your studies with us.